Linking a bank account on Stash is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your investment account easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your mobile device or access the Stash website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the Menu or Profile section. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Within the account settings, look for the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Stash may require you to verify the account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Stash into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Stash account. This will enable you to easily transfer funds for your investments.